Hello students, I am Anju Mathur of Raval Convent School. Today I am going to explain you adverbs. What is an adverb? Basically, most adverbs tell you how, where or when something is done. In other words, they describe the manner, place or time of an action. Commonly adverbs are formed from adjectives. Some are below. Kind, kindly. Happy, happily. Wonderful, wonderfully. Loud, loudly. Sad, sadly. Beautiful, beautifully. Sweet, sweetly. Examples of adverbs. She sings sweetly. He speaks quite clearly. She shouts loudly. She smiled cheerfully. The traffic was moving slowly. She writes neatly. We waited patiently to see the doctor. Many adverbs end with ly. You make these adverbs by adding ly to adjectives. Important note. Some words that end in ly are not adverbs. Some adjectives end in ly too. For example, Sam was feeling very lonely. She was wearing a lovely dress. It was a very lively party. Kinds of adverbs. Manner. It describes in which manner an action is done. Place. It describes where an action is done. Time. It describes when an action is done. Frequency. It shows how many times an action is done. Purpose or reason. It describes the purpose or reason for the action. Quantity or degree. It shows how much or in what degree or to what extent. Affirmation or negation, which says yes if it is yes and no if it is no. Adverbs of place. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question where. They are called adverbs of place. Example, the boys are playing upstairs. The dog is in the garden. We are going to New York City on our school trip. It is very sunny but cold outside. Adverb of places. I have lived here for about 2 years. English and German are closely related. Is Mark still in bed? His children go everywhere with him. Adverbs of manner. Some adverbs and adverb phrases describe the way people do things. Examples, the girls answered all the questions correctly. He was driving carelessly. The plane landly did safely. Ramu plays guitar skillfully. Adverb of manner. They washed carefully. The flower was beautifully made up. She seemed faintly. The team played wonderfully. Adverbs of frequency. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question how often an action is done. They are called adverb of frequency. Examples, the children always go to school on the bus. I will never make that mistake again. I clean my bedroom every day. Dad polishes his shoes twice a week. Adverb of time. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question when. They are called adverb of time. Examples, the train has already left. We moved into our new house last week. Our favorite TV program starts at 6 o'clock. I am going to my new school tomorrow. Adverb of time. We shall now begin to work. He called here a few minutes ago. I have spoken to him yesterday. He comes here daily. Mr. Gupta formerly lived here. Adverb of quantity or degree. It shows how much or in what degree or to what extent. He was too careless. The sea is very stormy. I am rather busy. I am fully prepared. These mangoes are almost ripe. Adverb of reason. The adverb which tells about a reason is called adverb of reason. He is hence unable to refute the charge. He therefore left school. Adverbs of affirmation and negation, which says yes if it is yes and no if it is no. Examples: I don't know. Surely you are mistaken. He certainly went. Hope you are clear with the topic. Thank you.